The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission on Tuesday arraigned the Bauchi State Commissioner for Finance, Yakubu Adamu, before Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court sitting in Maitama, Abuja, over alleged money laundering involving N5.79 billion. According to a post obtained from EFCC's X account on Tuesday, Adamu was arraigned alongside Ayab Agro Products and Freight Company Limited on a 6-count charge bordering on money laundering, contrary to Section 21(a), and punishable under Section 21 of the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition, Act, 2022. At the commencement of proceedings, prosecuting counsel, Samuel Chime, informed the court that the matter was for arraignment and requested that the charges be read to the defendants to enable them to take their pleas. After the charges were read, Adamu pleaded not guilty to all counts. One of the charges alleged that Adamu, while acting as branch manager of Polaris Bank plc, Bauchi, conspired between June and December 2023 with Ishaku Mohammed Aliyu, managing director of I.S. Makayye Investment Resources Limited, and Muntaka Mohammed Duguri, both currently at large, to launder N4.65 billion. The funds were said to have been released by Polaris Bank under the pretext of financing the supply of motorcycles to the Bauchi State Government through Emmanuel Asomugha General Enterprises, a supply which allegedly never took place. My lord, this matter is for arraignment of the defendant on a 6-count charge, and we humbly pray that the charge be read to the defendant for his plea to be taken, he said. Count 1 reads, that you, Yakubu Adamu, while acting as branch manager of Polaris Bank plc, Bauchi, alongside Ishaku Mohammed Aliyu, managing director of I.S. Makayye Investment Resources Limited, and Muntaka Mohammed Duguri, both currently at large, between June and December 2023, conspired to commit money laundering by facilitating the conversion, transfer, concealment and use of the sum of N4.65 billion. Availed by Polaris Bank under the guise of financing the supply of motorcycles to Bauchi State Government through Emmanuel Asomugha General Enterprises, which motorcycles were never supplied. The offense was said to be contrary to Section 21(a), and punishable under Section 21 of the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition, Act, 2022. Count 4 reads, that you, Yakubu Adamu sometime in 2023, acquired, used, retained and took possession or control of the sum of N976 million. Paid into the account of I.S. Makayye Investment Resources Limited and subsequently transferred the same to several individuals and entities, knowing or having reasonable grounds to know that the funds constituted proceeds of unlawful activity connected to the diversion of the Polaris Bank facility meant for motorcycle supply which was never executed. Quote,